When we are doing subtraction, we have to pay attention to this negative sign. That negative means that I really have a -1 here, and I'm distributing it to each of the numbers inside the parenthesis. So I have x squared minus 12x cubed. That stays the same. But then I end up having to switch the signs inside the parenthesis. So this will become positive 6x squared plus x cubed. And then from this point on, it is exactly like multiplication. X squared goes with 6x squared. Negative 12x cubed goes with x cubed. And so I will have x squared plus 6x squared and negative 12x cubed plus 1x cubed, and I can add those up. So I get 7x squared minus 11x cubed, and I'm going to write my answer in standard form. Let's look at one more example. Let's go to number 11. 11 is a little bit longer. So when I look at 11, this negative becomes positive, and I have negative 12v cubed minus 5v squared plus 12 plus v to the fourth. I do the same work with finding my like terms. Negative 5v to the fourth goes with v to the fourth. Negative 1 goes with 12. 10v squared with negative 5v squared, and negative v cubed with negative 12v cubed. And so if I write out my answer, negative 5v to the fourth plus 1v to the fourth minus 1 plus 12 plus 10v squared minus 5v squared and minus 1v cubed minus 12v cubed. I can go ahead and add all these numbers up, so I get negative 4v to the fourth plus 11 plus 5v squared minus 13v cubed, and I'll put my final answer into standard form.